Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So stay tuned for that reading, guys. Let's see what are these cards first. We have Knight of Wands in reverse, the Hierophant in reverse, and Four of Wands. So, with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are in a connection with this person, you are in love with them, you have a level of understanding with this person. But there are certain things that you cannot understand, guys. Maybe the way this person is behaving, or maybe there are some misunderstandings, quarrels, or arguments in this love. So, though you are in a relationship, you have understanding between you both, but still sometimes things are not as you expect, and you feel that things have gone wrong, something is wrong between you both, or something is missing between you both, guys, Leos. And it may be in your work also. Sometimes you are seeing success, sometimes things may not go as you had expected. So, some misunderstandings, troubles may be there in your work, and sometimes things are going in a very positive way, guys, for you all. And I see, Leos, in your situation, you are moving towards a time in your life where you are beginning to understand everything with clarity, beginning to see things from that other person's perspective. So, in your heart of hearts, you have that acceptance and understanding, guys, clarity. So, whatever this other person is thinking or whatever they are doing, you have a clear understanding the reason for those actions or the reason for those words. You may not speak out about your understanding to that person, but there are some kind of changes happening within you, guys, in your mind, in your heart. You know the truth, and something is giving you that acceptance and peace of mind. And maybe for some of you, Leos, I see that in your situation today, your circumstances are changing in a positive way, and you're celebrating some changes today in this uh, relationship, or it may be for your work situation. So, some kind of a celebration, or maybe you are spending time with the people you love, spending time with your family, friends, having a happy time. That is also what I see, guys, with these cards, Leos, for your general energy, guys. If you want more clarity, Leos, if you have some confusions or doubts, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys, that will come up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, this is your first deck card, and this is your second card. So, whichever card you want to choose, first you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's start the reading after a few seconds, and I'll be starting with this card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this first card. Let's see what it is. Greet the dawn. Such a beautiful card here, guys. And the meaning of this card, maybe in your situation, you are inviting something new. It may be a new beginning, a new love, or an opportunity coming your way. And every day is an opportunity for us to start fresh, guys. Start with that clean slate. So, whatever that has happened yesterday, we are given a chance to do things differently today, and that is in our hands. And a new day invites us with that inner light of love and beauty. So, if we accept that invitation and radiate beauty and happiness to the surroundings around us, it will touch the lives of people around us, and it will give them warmth and the change the way the things are going in your situation and in their life, guys. So you don't have to take on the world, you just have to do your best. Simply do the things that you love to do. Do not force anything to happen, and let your day to flow as it should, guys, with that sense of gratitude in your heart and acceptance towards the gifts and challenges that day is bringing to you. So that is what this card means, guys. So in your situation today, guys, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to get someone new. And if you are hurt in the past, this is the time for you to let go of all that and move towards a fresh start in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the poison apple, jealousy. So in your situation today, guys, for those who chose this card, there are few offers tempting you, really being offered to you or in your situation, but you should think about it again and again. Think it with clarity before you take up that apple. It may be poison, guys, so you have to be really careful. And you need to understand that even if you have made that choice, you need not fear that choice, guys, because you will recover. And the pain you go through in this situation because you have accepted some kind of a temptation in your situation, it is going to gift you with that experience, and you are going to get that true insight and clarity in your life and in your relationship. And also, you are someone who is the target of jealousy in your situation. People really around you are really jealous of you of some things, guys. Maybe your talents, your skills, your beauty, or your life. So they are jealous, and they are not to be trusted. You have to be really careful. Even if you know someone for a long time now, and even if they are your true friend, if there are some choices involved with them or they are pushing you towards something, you have to think it through, guys. Think for yourself. This is the time to be skeptical, and you cannot trust anyone in this present circumstance. That is what I would say with this card. So you have to be really careful when you're making important decisions in your life today, in your relationship today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.